Hold on, come glasses out. If you watch my previous video about my crochet takedown, I told y'all I was gonna have to come back because I had to do something in my head. So I know in the video I turned around and everything and showed y'all how I was done taking my hair down. But I still had little pieces in my head. Those eventually fell out once I took my braids down. So I'm trying to come up with a style, and I really think I'm just gonna do like a real sleek ponytail, cause it's after 8 o'clock, and normally my old tail in the bed by 8:30, cause your girl had to get up at 5 to go, well, get the kids ready for school and for me to go to work. So I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna do. I'm thinking that'd be the easiest thing for me to do right now. So I want to show y'all my little sleek low ponytail. Be quiet. That's my daughter. As y'all should know.
Mama, how they know?
Because you always talking in the video and I'm always saying, that's my daughter.
The bit of your makeup.
So, I hadn't posted that video yet, baby. I'll post it. So, yeah. I'm wearing my hair like this for a couple of days. And then when I decide what my birthday hair will be, ooh, I'm trying to get my ponytail not to be so, I don't know. But when I decide what my birthday hair will be, I'll be back with a video on that. I just have to go in my closet and pick something out. Yes, I have.
A wig.
Baby, children will tell it all. But yes, I have to go in my closet and pick a wig out. So, this
is a wig.
Is my hair. Anyway, so this is what it's looking like.
Oh, Mama dropped it.
Or whatever. So let me do a 360. Yeah, I used to didn't have no hang time.
Sorry guys, I farted.
Hey, stop. Hey, hang time. Yeah, I just gonna put my hair in a ponytail. And look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Hey, get it? Yeah. Oh. Anyway. Well, I hope this helps somebody. Like, this could be a real quick style. Like, you know, if you take your hair down like I did late at night, knowing you need to go to bed, then you can do this style. I always have problems with the hair that's by my glasses, bro. Like, where my glasses go behind my ears, and it's so freaking irritating. Oh my God, it's irritating. But anyway, so yeah, if you need a little quick style or whatever, I got you. Here you go, boo. All you gotta do now is tie your hair up and get ready for bed. Now, I'm gonna tie mine up and put a bonnet on because I sleep wild like that. Yeah, take that and give you some. But, just saying to give you some. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, so quick style you can do. Won't take long. Like my video, comment, subscribe for more videos. And I will see y'all when I decide what am I do for my birthday. For my birthday. All right, see you guys later.